In this session, let us learn about create your own unfunc. How to create your own unfunc? To create your own unfunc, you have to define a function like you do with normal functions in Python. Then you add it to your NumPy unfunc library with the fromPyFunc method. The fromPyFunc method takes the following arguments: function, the name of the function; inputs, the number of input arguments arrays; outputs, the number of output arrays. See, create your own unfunc addition. See, by executing this code, the result returns this 6, 8, 10, 12. Check if a function is a unfunc. Check the type of a function to check if it is unfunc or not. A unfunc should return class NumPy unfunc. See, check if function is unfunc. See, by giving this code, executing this, yes, class NumPy dot unfunc, its data executed. It is not a unfunc, it will return another type like this built-in NumPy function for joining two or more arrays. See here, check the type of another function, concatenate. See, by using concatenate, class built-in function or method, its result is written like this. If the function is not recognized at all, it will return an error. Check the type of something that does not exist. This will produce an error. See, we are giving a blah 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 like that. It returns some error. To test if the function is a unfunc in an if statement, use the numpy.unfunc value or np.unfunc. If you use np as an alias for numpy, use an if statement to check if the function is a unfunc or not. See, by using if statement, the result is add is unfunc. Okay friends, this is the end of part 32, create your own unfunc. Next video, let us learn about another topic, simple arithmetic. If you like our program, please like, subscribe and press bell icon for our next part video updates. Thank you friends. Meet you in next video. All the best.